Hi everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a crucial skill for any C or C++ developer, checking if a pointer is null using the GDB debugger. This is super important for finding bugs like segmentation faults before they crash your program. We will look at a few easy ways to do this quickly and efficiently, ensuring your code runs smoothly. First, the most basic way is to simply print the pointer's value. Let's say you have a pointer named my_ptr in your program. When you are stopped at a breakpoint in GDB, you just type my_ptr and press enter. GDB will then show you the memory address stored in that pointer. If my_ptr is null, GDB will usually print something like 0x0 or nil. Both of these specific outputs mean the pointer does not point to any valid memory location. It is null. This is the quickest visual check. For example, if you see 0x7f000 as the output, the pointer is not null, it points to a valid address. But if you see 0x0 or nil, you know immediately that it is null. Next, you can ask GDB to explicitly compare the pointer to null. This gives you a clear true or false answer, which can be very useful for making quick decisions. You can type my_ptr == 0 or my_ptr == null. GDB understands null as a standard null pointer constant, so either syntax works perfectly. If my_ptr is indeed null, GDB will print 1 meaning true. If my_ptr points to something valid, GDB will print 0 meaning false. This is very helpful when you want a definite boolean result, removing any ambiguity from the memory address display. This method is often preferred for its absolute clarity, especially in more complex debugging scenarios where you might be quickly checking many pointers. You can even use this explicit comparison in conditional expressions, which is a powerful feature that builds on this simple check. You can also use this comparison in conditional breakpoints, which can save you a lot of time. Imagine you only want to stop at a certain line of code if a specific pointer is null. You can set a breakpoint like this: be my_function if my_ptr == null. This tells GDB to only stop at the breakpoint located within my_function if the condition my_ptr == null is true at that moment. This saves you a lot of time by not stopping at every single call to my_function, especially if it's called frequently. It helps you narrow down precisely where the null pointer issue might be occurring in a large codebase. This is a more advanced use, but it directly builds on the simple comparison we just learned and makes your debugging much more efficient. Finally, what happens if you try to use a null pointer by dereferencing it? Your program will almost certainly crash with a segmentation fault. GDB will often catch this and tell you program received signal segmentation fault. At that point, you can use the bt backtrace command to see exactly where the crash happened in your code. Then, you can inspect the pointers at that location using the p command to find the specific null one that caused the problem. This is a reactive way to find null pointers, but it's a very common scenario you'll encounter. Understanding how to check for null pointers proactively, using the methods we discussed, helps you avoid these crashes entirely and write more robust code. And that's it. Knowing how to check for null pointers in GDB is a fundamental skill that will save you countless hours of debugging and frustration. Thank you so much for watching this video and learning with me. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on debugging and programming. Your support helps the channel grow and lets me create more content like this. See you in the next one.